Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system management. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. I mean the date, time and the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic options like set the time automatically and auto set time. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Just find it and tap on it and confirm it with OK. It will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. Just by swiping, change the time to the one you'd like to have and confirm it. The time zone, just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available regions from which you can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here also the time format. You can use local default, which is more or less automatic option, but let me turn it off. Manually you can either set 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or use 24-hour format just by tapping on this switcher, and it will be of course immediately applied. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.